Space is silent, but sometimes that silence feels too heavy. In the 1960s, while the Cold War was still ongoing, humanity was racing to reach space. The Soviet Union and the United States both knew that whoever went first would make history. Speed, prestige, and secrecy mattered more than anything else. According to official records, the first woman to travel to space was the Soviet cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova. In 1963, she launched aboard Vostok 6 and returned safely to Earth. In history books, the story ends right there. But there is another story, one that was never written down. In the 1960s, two amateur radio operators living in Italy claimed that one night they intercepted an unusual signal coming from space. This was not a normal satellite transmission or technical data. It was a human voice, and it was the voice of a woman. According to their recordings, the signal was weak and filled with static, but the words were still understandable. The woman sounded panicked. Her breathing was irregular. Then these words were heard. "I'm burning. I can't control it. It's too hot." The voice began to distort. The sentences became broken. And then suddenly everything went silent. The signal disappeared completely. These recordings were never officially acknowledged by the Soviet Union. But what is strange is that they were never fully denied either. The existence of the recordings was not erased, yet no explanation was ever given. According to conspiracy theories, the Soviets hid failed missions in order not to fall behind in the space race. Many rocket explosions and unsuccessful launches from that era only became public years later. Some cosmonauts' names never appeared on any official list. The claim is that one of these female cosmonauts re-entered the atmosphere at the wrong angle. The capsule overheated. Thermal control was lost. And in those final moments, radio signals from the capsule reached Earth. Sound cannot travel through space, but radio waves can. And that night, Earth may have listened to the final messages of a woman lost in space. If this is only a legend, then whose voice was that woman's voice coming from orbit? And if it is real, perhaps there is still a capsule circling the Earth, one whose identity was never revealed. Inside it, a woman whose name was never written into history. Space is silent, but sometimes it keeps forgotten voices.